Guys, I'm here back again today to share with you another method to make real money online in Nigeria and worldwide. You can make money with this app I'm showing you right now. It's very simple and straightforward. You can make it anytime, anywhere. You can be doing it and add it to your work. This cannot stop you from doing what you're also doing right now. Okay, in this platform I'm going to show you what this website is doing, because I'm very surprised. I didn't know that this website can pay like this. Okay, and it's very simple and easy. This website has been existing so long. It's not that maybe they are new website. That's why they want people to come to their websites. This bonus is this not a bonus. It's a real and forever and everlasting reward for everybody that participates in this platform. So what they are doing here is very simple. They give you money. They pay you for what you are doing. Okay, you can't just come here and think you want to make $1,000 in a day. No, it's not possible. Okay, I'm creating a video for you on how to make $100 in a month. So $100 in a month, and very simple and very straightforward. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it, and don't forget that if you want to sign up on this platform, go to the description below. Yes, go to the description below and see the link of this platform, website or app, and go and sign up with my referral link there. So and keep on doing it. You're going to make money there. Okay, and this thing, you don't need to pay any money before you. What you need to do is your phone and your internet connection, and keep on doing it. But when you are registering here, they will ask you many questions. That is, they can ask you about your name, your age, the school you attend, so your skills. Yes, if you don't have any skill, you can write any skill there, because they don't care about that. What they want is just to come there and be using it. And this platform is not a scam platform. No, everybody are using this platform worldwide. Everybody can use it worldwide, not only Nigeria. America, UK, Canada, India. So anywhere you can use this. Ghana, any country, you're going to use this platform. So what you're going to be doing here is that in this platform they will give you a daily bonus. Yes, daily bonus for logging in. Whenever you log into this platform, they will give you points that you give you points because you log in. So let me go to my notification now. The point they give me, so look at it now. So this my go to reward. So I've logged in today, this morning. When you reward a day, they will give 20 points a day. Depend on how many views you have on your video. In this platform, you're going to after this one, what you're going to be doing is that you are going to be uploading video here. When you upload any video in this place, the video you upload, whenever somebody view the video, they will give you points, and they're going to convert the points into money for you at the end of the month. So, and that's how they are doing that. Okay, so I have like maybe 2 video here. So when they watch it, I have 20 points for that. So, and they also give me a chance to watch ads every day, and they give me 10 points for that. So everybody can do that. I don't pay money to register this. I don't pay any money before I start this. So you can also do it and make your own now. Let me go to my payment now. You're going to see how much they've paid into my app right now. It's $5.58 now. They pay it there. So when my money reach $100, I'm going to be able to cash out the money. You can link your Payoneer account there. You can link your PayPal account, and link to this account that also call me WebTalk account, Coinbase account, and Wise account. You can see that. So this, look at the money I earned here. So you can ask any question from the platform by yourself. When you log in, you're going to see everything I'm talking about, and it's very real and legit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it, and also share this video for people that are to benefit from it. And don't forget to also comment here and comment. Okay, and in this place you can also come here to advertise your products. You can also come to advertise what you are selling. If you have anything, you can post the picture there. When you also post picture, when people watch your video, when people view your picture, they will give you points for that. So you can do many things here to make money. So it's simple and legit. And don't forget